Can we talk about something that most people in the creative design world just silently accept? You already know what sells. The edgy stuff, the shock value phrases, the profanity, the designs that lean hard into whatever our culture finds funny at that particular week. You've seen it. You've watched it move. And you've probably thought, oh, I can make that. But you don't. And if you're honest with yourself, sometimes that decision feels very expensive. If that tension sounds familiar to you, then stay with me here for just a minute, because this is not about judging anybody else's business. It's about what happens inside of you when you see what sells, but you choose not to build your income in that way. And just so you know where this conversation is going, this channel is about building creative income without compromising your convictions. I also have a free resource called Design Made Easy, Fun Guaranteed. It's a simple, wholesome place to create forward when you don't want to chase what's trending. I'll tell you about that in just a bit. Just know that you do not have to figure this out alone. In this industry, we already know that certain type of designs fly off the shelves. They print fast, they repeat, and they generate quick cash. And it's not subtle. You can see it very clearly. There have been moments when you saw something that was filled with profanity, filled with heavy culture themes, and you thought, that's going to sell. You know how to pull the pieces together. You understand the humor, and you understand the demand. But then something inside of you presses pause, not out of fear, not out of ignorance, purely out of conviction, because you have decided that your business is going to reflect your values, and you have decided that certain themes you are just not going to build on. And here's the part that gets very quiet. When you watch those designs sell quickly, but you choose not to participate, your own wholesome designs, your faith-filled things, they start to feel very slow. They feel risky. They feel like you're leaving money on the table, not because your ideas are weak, but strictly because of the numbers. That's the shift. It is not insecurity, it's pressure. And that pressure, it changes how boldly your next designs begin to feel. Here's what makes it complicated. The market, it does not reward restraint. It strictly rewards reaction. So when something provocative sells quickly, your brain automatically registers it as effective. And you're not foolish. You see that. You understand supply and demand. You understand that attention converts. But when you choose not to create certain things, you're not just making a creative decision, you are making a financial decision. And that is where the tension starts to build. Because now your conviction starts to feel like a risk. It's no longer just, I don't want to create that. It turns into, am I limiting my growth? That is the kind of thoughts that start creeping in. Not because you want to compromise, but because you care about your family. You care about your income. You care about building a sustainable business. And when the fast money is visible, the restraint feels very slow. But let's slow this down for just a minute. There is a difference between what sells quickly and what sells steadily. Quick sales are very reactive, but steady business is very aligned. And when you build on conviction rather than building on reaction, things begin to align much differently. Growth may look differently, but it will also compound differently. You're not behind because you don't chase everything that moves. You're building a brand that you don't want to have to hide from. And that matters way more than quick spikes in sales. Because the kind of woman that you want to attract, she's not looking for shock value. She's looking for steadiness, and she is looking for beauty, and she is looking for something that she can own without having to be embarrassed in front of her children. And when you create from conviction, you're not shrinking your market, you are defining your market. There is great gain in godliness with contentment. Contentment does not mean small. It just means rooted. It means you're not pressured by every social media trend that comes through your feed. When your business is built with contentment over comparison, it begins to build much differently. Not slower, but a lot stronger. If you've been feeling that tension, wanting to build income without crossing lines that don't feel right to you, this is exactly why I created Design Made Easy, Fun Guaranteed. It's built around usable, wholesome designs so that you can finish something confidently without second-guessing your boundaries. And I will link that right below this video for you. Here's what I see happening and what I have personally experienced myself. When you stop measuring your ideas against the loudest sellers in the room, something steadies. You make decisions faster, not because you don't care about the results, but because you're no longer debating with your own boundaries every time you sit down to create something. That internal argument, it just kind of quietens down. And when that argument quietens down, your energy comes back. You create with more clarity. You market with more confidence. You speak directly with the woman who already resonates with you. You may not spike sales quite as fast, but your right customers, they stay longer because they trust you and they refer you to others. They feel safe doing business with you because your brand, it feels consistent. And consistency builds equity, not just financially, but spiritually and emotionally too. You're not constantly adjusting your voice to keep up with the latest trend. You're actually building something that you're so proud to put your name on. And that is the kind of steadiness that compounds. If this is the tension that you have been carrying quietly, wondering if your conviction is costing you growth, I want you to know you are not naive. You are disciplined. And discipline is not a weakness when it comes to business. It is a long-term strategy. Here's what I want you to remember. Fast sales are visible. Conviction is invisible. But invisible foundations create visible success. You are not behind because you choose not to chase everything that moves, because what you're building is something that aligns with your faith, your values, and your integrity. And the women who need that, they are looking for you. So keep your eyes going forward. Build on what aligns with you. Let your growth just be rooted and not reactive. And if this conversation feels like that it was meant exactly for you, then stay with me here. Go ahead and click that like button so other women can find us, and subscribe if you're building this kind of business too, because that is exactly what we're doing here. And if you want a place to create without the internal tug-of-war, then that's exactly why I built Design Made Easy, Fun Guaranteed. It is filled with wholesome, usable digital elements and step-by-step video instruction. It's designed to help you finish something beautiful without feeling like you've got to compromise to be able to sell it. If you have been second-guessing your direction, then this is a great place to start. And the link is right below this video.